Every home deserves safe, reliable wiring, but quality electrical solutions often come with a hefty price tag. What if we told you there's a better way? Meet Kabel's Q1 flame retardant that delivers performance without breaking your budget. Here's what makes Q1 really special. Its super flexible design that easily navigates through those tight spaces and tricky corners in your home without any damage, reduces installation hassles. Q1 flame retardant holds not just anti-rodent and anti-termite properties, but also holds the trust of compliance authorities like REACH, ROHS, CE and CPR. Made with 100% electrolytic copper, Q1 flame retardant house wire delivers long-lasting performance. It is completely lead-free and mercury-free, ensuring a greener choice for your home. Kabel's Q1 flame retardant, the quality wire that stays within your budget.